children, now I am going to go for a next lesson, that is unit 10, that is page number 16, that is word ill. You all have seen this. They have given the word 1. Can you climb down these hills by making 2, 3, 4 and 5 letters words? See the example given below. Fill in the letters of the alphabets in the hill to complete it. They have given the B letter. What they have given, this is the example they have given. B-E-B, that is B-E-E-B, that is B-E-A-R, bear, B-R-A-I-N, brain. Now D is given. So what we have to write, how you can do your own like this, or you can copy the same. D-O, do, D-O-G, dog, D-E-E-R, deer, D-A-I-R-Y, diary. And here M is given. M-E, me, M-A-N, man, M-A-L-E, male, M-A-N-G-O, mango. And N is given. N-O, no, N-E-T, net, N-E-S-T, nest, N-A-I-L-S, nails. And S is given. S for so, S-E-A-C, S-A-N-D, sand, S-A-L-A-N, S-A-L-A-D, salad. Okay. You can take other letters and you can do like this if you want. Okay. Next, I am going to go for a story. This is the story time. Come in the unit 11, page number 70. Complete the story using words from clue pack. You may repeat words. This is a story. I am going to read for you. One day a duck, this is, you have to write duck, was swimming in the pond. What you have to write here? Pond. It saw a, what it is? The figure dog. And what is this? Cat playing on the bank. The duck, this is duck. You have to write duck, had built a, this is nest, nearby. It laid 3 eggs in the nest. Just then a snake, this is snake, crawled out of a hole in the ground. The duck flew away. Suddenly a eagle came and took away the snake and saved the eggs. They have given the clues. You can copy the spellings from this. The moral of the story is help others. Okay, this is the story. Once again I will read. One day a duck was swimming in the pond. It saw a dog and a cat playing on the bank. The duck had built a nest nearby. It laid 3 eggs in the nest. Just then a snake crawled out of a hole in the ground. The duck flew away. Suddenly a eagle came and took away the snake and saved the eggs. What is the moral of the story? I said, help each other and help others. Okay, turn to page number, that is 18. Okay, this is our national symbols. You all have already know which is our national bird, which is our national animal, which is our national tree, which is our national flower, and the bird, flag, everything. So they have given the pictures. India has many national symbols with which it identify itself and take pride in them. Identify the given national symbols of the India and write their names with the help of the clue pack. They have given the clue box here. This is national fruit. What is this? Mango. This is national animal. Tiger. This is national tree. Banyan. Okay. This is national flag. That is tricolor. This is national bird. Means peacock. National flower. Lotus. Okay. Okay, children. Now respect our national flag. That is the national flag represent a nation. It is a symbol of a nation's pride and we must respect it. Nowadays, we usually find people selling plastic national flag on the occasion of the Republic Day and Independence Day. As soon as the celebrations are over, people threw away the flags. It is wrong practice, isn't it? It is wrong, no? We should not throw our national flag. Okay. We must follow the given don'ts. Don'ts means what all we should not do. We should not play with it. We should not crumple it. Crumple means we should not tear it. Okay, we should not use it for the decoration purpose. We should never throw it on the ground. We should never use it on dresses as prints or a design. Okay, these are all we should not do. We should not do that. Okay, are you aware the chakra in the Indian national flag has 24 spokes? This is the Ashoka chakra. How many spokes are there? 24. That is the blue color. That is navy blue. Okay, you all followed. Okay.